Good morning, everybody. Mark Finan here in the home weather office on this Monday morning. It's the 10th day of July, 2023, and this is the morning briefing. Yeah, I'm back at it after having a few days off to relax and just enjoy the weather we've had. The last 5 days in Sacramento have been under 90 degrees, below average, well below average. I'll talk a little bit more about those temperatures we've been seeing here in just a minute, but on this Monday morning, we have blue sky in most areas, another cool start, but we are going to start to see a warming trend. And of course, we are talking about some heat at the end of the week, so we'll talk about that as well. So let's start with what is happening this morning. We do have, once again, a really solid marine layer along the coast, and you can even see some of that marine layer made its way into Sacramento County and maybe all the way up toward the Folsom area, but that's quickly going to be burning off. We also have the marine layer solidly into Napa County and Sonoma County, Marin County, of course. So that is going to be retreating. But as you can see, we have a solid marine layer out here. You can also see a nice steady north flow here down at the surface. And otherwise, inland, we have clear skies. And you can also see there's still a little bit of snow in the Sierra, the southern Sierra, but the northern and central Sierra. The snow is basically gone, but you can still find some if you go for a hike. All right, let's talk a little bit about these temperatures. I wanted to show you, these are the high temperatures from yesterday from the National Weather Service. So Sacramento, this is the one we use right here. Sacramento downtown. That's the one that we go with. That's so 79 degrees. There are two others in Sacramento that are reported. There's Executive Airport near Land Park that was 76, and SMF, good old Sac International, where it was 83. But 79 in downtown Sacramento, that is 15 degrees below average for the day yesterday. 15 degrees below average. A little perspective on that. Keep in mind, 15 degrees above average would be 109. And those are the temperatures we may be seeing toward the end of the week. So there is always this back and forth. Stronger trough can mean a stronger ridge after it, and that sort of thing. So it's quite common for us to see these bigger swings sometimes. But 5 days, 5 consecutive days with temperatures below 90 degrees at this time of year is quite uncommon. And obviously, we're going to have fewer than 30 days this month that are at 90 degrees or higher. The most we can do now is 25, 26 days. So this is so far a cooler than average month, but that'll be changing as we go through the end of this week and we swing back to higher than average temperatures. But yeah, for those of you that do enjoy cooler weather, this last stretch of 5 days with temperatures under 90 degrees is it's tough to do. We can do 1 or 2 here and there, you get a strong delta breeze, but to do 5 in a row is quite something. All right, let's take a look at what is going to be coming as we go through the next few days. All right, so this is the 500 millibar chart. This is, as of last night, there's this low that pivoted inland yesterday that helped bring us that stronger onshore flow. And as we go through the next day or so, the troughiness becomes a little bit weaker and temperatures begin to come up a little bit. We'll get back into the 90s probably as early as today, and temperatures will be in the 90s over the next few days. And then you just pay attention to this ridge down here where the high is. It is, at this point, this is on Wednesday morning. It's in southern New Mexico, southern Arizona. We still have some troughiness here, but that's going to give us temperatures probably in the range of the mid-90s. That's Wednesday. And then you'll note as we go into the day on Thursday and then into the day on Friday, now we have a solid ridge here. Troughiness here, troughiness out here, solid ridge over the western states. So Friday, temperatures will be over 100 degrees. And then on Saturday, that high expands. And this is the day, one of the days that we're looking at, we could see valley temperatures in that 110-ish range. Although we'll be nailing down the exact temperatures here over the next couple of days. But that's the pattern lasting into the day on Sunday and maybe into the day on Monday. And then after that, the ridge begins to retreat again a little bit. You see the ridge axis is here more on the Rockies, and allowing some southwesterly flow, although that would still be quite warm. And this is all the way into next Tuesday, so a week out. So the bottom line here this morning is that today will run a little bit warmer than what we saw over the weekend, certainly warmer than yesterday. but still in a pretty comfortable range for this time of year. And the next few days, probably getting us all the way into at least Wednesday, will be in a comfortable range. Thursday, we may be in that 100 range, but it's really Friday and through the weekend that we could see temperatures in the 105, 110 range in the valley. So we'll be dialing in those numbers over the next couple of days. But on this Monday morning, as you look ahead to next weekend and your weekend plans, do keep in mind that we could see really hot days. Overnight lows in the 70s, highs around 110. So just kind of keep that in mind as you go make your weekend plans for next weekend. I know it's Monday. It's never too early to start planning for next weekend. I know I am. So that's everything I've got for you this morning. I'll be back in the office in a suit and tie later on today, and actually wearing shoes and socks. Everything I haven't been doing over the last 4 days. So I'll be back in the office today, and like I said, we'll be kind of dialing in those numbers for the end of the week over the next couple of days. So enjoy your day. Make it a good one. I'll talk with you later.